Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young boy named Ahmad. Ahmad was very kind and loved to help his neighbors. Every morning, he would say hello to everyone and ask if they needed help. One cold morning, Ahmad was walking to the market. As he passed by the old bakery, he saw an old woman carrying a big basket of bread. The basket looked heavy and the woman was walking slowly. Ahmed saw that the woman was having trouble. He quickly ran over to her and said, "Can I help you, grandmother?" The woman smiled and said, "Oh, thank you, dear. I am very tired, and this basket is too heavy for me." Ahmed took the basket from the woman and carried it to her house. As they walked together, the woman told Ahmed that she had been baking bread for many years. "I bake bread every day to feed my family and my neighbors," she explained. When they reached her house, the woman gave Ahmed a warm loaf of bread. "Thank you for helping me, Ahmed," she said. "This is for you as a gift." Ahmed smiled and said, "I am happy to help, but I don't need a gift. It is good to help others when they need it." The woman smiled and said, "You are very kind, and you remind me that helping others makes the world a better place." Vocabulary words. Number 1. Kind is an adjective meaning being friendly, caring, and willing to help others. Example: Ahmed was very kind to the old woman and helped her carry the basket. Number 2. Trouble is a noun meaning difficulty or problem that makes something hard to do. Example: the woman had trouble carrying the heavy basket of bread. Number 3. Gift is a noun meaning something given to someone without expecting anything in return. Example: the woman gave Ahmed a warm loaf of bread as a gift for helping her. Moral of this story: helping others is a kind and meaningful way to make the world a better place. You don't always need a gift in return. Just doing good makes you feel happy.